Hey everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing another Showroom Showcase. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new revamped train horn section. So starting off at the end here, we have some of the smaller horns and whistles, moving up to the bigger train horns. As you can see below here, we do have our emergency tone replacements for all kinds of those. A lot of our train horns come in chrome or black, so if you see one that you're looking for, we have all these boxes under here. Go ahead and grab the one you need, take it up to the counter, you're good as gold. On the other side here, we have some of the aluminum die-cast ones. Now these ones are a little bit more expensive, but they're far more sturdy. They're built really well, and if you're looking to make the next county over, know that you're on your way, these are going to be the ones that you're looking for. So starting off here, we have the 2-horn, 4-horn, and then it actually goes up to as big as the 6-horn. So if you'd like to check out our entire selection of train horns, you can visit our website at biggerchromeshop.com, or if you'd like to stop in, check out the new section, we are in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, right off of Interstate 41. And then don't forget to follow our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.